Hi there and welcome to Laugh So Create. My name is Rebecca and today I wanted to bring you along because if anything like me and you like sewing with these fun clear vinyls or decorative vinyls and are looking to purchase some and you're wondering what the difference between TPU and PVC vinyl is, well, this video is for you. I'm going to be going through and talking about what some of the differences are so that you can make a more informed decision when you're purchasing vinyl for your sewing projects. So for this experiment, I ordered two types of vinyl and I ordered them at the same time. I ordered the PVC and TPU and attempted to get a similar gauge. So if you have sewn with vinyl, you'll know that the vinyl comes in different gauges. I generally use anywhere from a 14, 16 gauge. I went ahead and did a whole process of making these two toiletry bags using each one. So in order to keep them straight, I labeled them, and the star one that I'm going to keep on my right hand side is actually made out of PVC. PVC actually stands for polyvinyl chloride. Okay, and then the TPU is the floral. I think these are like cherry blossom florals, and I will also link in the description below where I got these from. This is, I got them off Amazon and Hyang, Hyang, holographic water blue, and it has stars on it. The TPU stands for thermoplastic polyurethane. So those are the long words and the abbreviations for the two types of vinyls that you will see. So for the PVC, what I noticed, and you may think it's strange that I'm smelling them, but the first thing I did notice was the odor. The PVC actually had a very strong odor to me, whereas the TPU did not. So that was the first distinct thing that I detected. PVC is actually known for its durability and resistance to wear and tear. It can stand more harsh conditions than the TPU. Right, I'm going to unroll them and kind of play with them so that you can kind of see the difference as far as the flexibility, durability, that kind of thing. PVC is known to be pretty rigid. So when I feel the two, the PVC on this side versus the TPU, I can definitely feel a little bit of a difference. This seems more rigid and not quite as flexible as the TPU. The fun thing about using PVC in your projects is that you don't have to worry about using things that are like interfacing or any stabilizers because it offers good structure to the bag, if you don't mind the smell. That one has, when you compare it, has no odor to it. TPU is flexible and more elastic material. TPU is often preferred over PVC because of stretchiness and resilience, resistant to abrasions and tearing. So as a recap, PVC is less flexible than TPU. And so when you are feeling the pouches that I make, this is definitely a lot more rigid than this one. And TPU is durable also, and it actually withstands punctures. It is also more resistant to tearing. Okay, so they both are fairly waterproof. However, the TPU is more breathable, supposedly, than the PVC. So the TPU is frequently used in outdoor gear and for sportswear. PVC has received criticism for its environmental impact, particularly due to concerns about harmful chemicals that are used during its production and disposal. Whereas TPU has a lower impact on the environment, it is more recyclable than PVC, and so it is considered a more environmentally friendly option to PVC. As far as cost, the PVC tends to be less expensive than the TPU. TPU actually tends to be more expensive due to the higher performance properties and the manufacturing costs that are involved in the production. Its durability and versatility may justify the higher upfront investment for certain applications. So, in summary, both the PVC and the TPU have their advantages and disadvantages, and the choice between them is based on your sewing project and the requirements such as flexibility, durability, waterproofing, and also the environmental considerations and your budgetary constraints. So consider these factors when you're trying to decide between TPU or PVC, and also just keep in mind that the PVC has a much stronger odor to me than the TPU. And I also want to go over what this pattern was, just in case you like the pattern and are interested in making it. So this is the Bella pouch by Leenek Studio, or Leenek Studio, Leenek. And in the pattern you get two options. You get the large sponge bag or makeup bag and the small version. And the fun thing about this project is you can really tailor the binding to the vinyl, and you can use store-bought, which I did with this TPU version. I just used a off-the-shelf binding, whereas I made the binding for the one that I made with a PVC. Now, I want to just bring you in closer so you can get a better, I wish I had smell-o-vision. I don't, so that you could smell the differences, but I will show you a little bit closer how these products feel and look. And this is the version that I made out of the TPU. This is the pouch I made with PVC. As you can see, it's much more sturdy. So I hope it kind of comes across the rigidity